So hey guys, welcome back. In the previous video, we have checked how to use resources in Filament. Let's create a blog application using the resources. For that, we need the models in the migration. Let's quickly create our model and migration. Let's make model. First, let's create a category model with the migration. Our model and migration is created. Go to the this migration and we need field, so let's create that. First field will be the title of the category. Then we need a slug for the category, and the slug will be unique. Now let's go to the model and add the guide. Instead of fillable, you can use guided, or you can also use fillable here. I prefer guided. Let's migrate our table. Okay, migration is also created. So let's create our first resource, which is category. I'm using simple tag of this category management simple and management generate. The generate flag will generate the tables and the fields for us, and the simple flag will create only a single resource file. Inside that, all the projects are there. Like you can see the title and slug for the form is generated, and the table is also generated. Let's see it in the browser. Now let's create a category. We need the slug to be autofill whenever the title is created. So for that, you can use the live chaining method. This will enable the live update in the filament input, and after that you can use the after set update. Let's use both of these. Now let's check it. New category. Okay, we can modify this this will enable the unblur, where the slug will generate after the field is target. Whenever we click outside, it will generate the slug. category. So our slug is generated. Let's create. You can edit it like this. Or you can delete it. And additionally, we can create a view action. This is the new action we have in the Filament version 3, which we can use. Let's let's change the icon. Filament version 3 supports the version 2 of the hero icons. So for the category, let's choose this. Okay, go to the category resource. Alright, change it here. Our category is created. Let's try to delete it. Let's create a new category like Laravel and create another filament. There it is. And so let's say it's also created at default. False. Like that. Okay guys, that's it for this video. See you in the next video. Thank you.